As a consumer of FMCG products like soap, shampoo, cream, cosmetics, detergents, and so on, we are all aware of companies like Hindustan Unilever or Procter & Gamble. In fact, Hindustan Unilever products are so popular that 9 out of 10 households in India uses its products. But have you ever thought about who are the suppliers to such giant FMCG companies like HUL and P&G? In this video, we will cover one such company that supplies raw material to these FMCG giants. It is Galaxy Surfactant. Hello friends, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy where I explain everything about money management in layman's language. It's been a long time since I published the last video on stock fundamental. Of late, there has been a fall in the mid-cap sector due to profit booking. But if you are a long-term investor, then there is no need to worry as ups and downs are part of stock investment. Moreover, small caps are more volatile but always have higher return potential. So in this video, I want to analyze Galaxy Surfactant, which is again a small cap company with a market cap of somewhere around 10,000 crore. But before I start my analysis, this video is only for educational purpose and helpful only for long-term investors. So in this video, we will discuss the business of the company, its leadership, key strength, competitors, key risk and future growth prospect. Then we will discuss the financials and finally the valuations to conclude if it is worth investing in Galaxy Surfactant or not. Alright, let's get started. Established in 1980, Galaxy Surfactant is a leading player in the world of surfactant and specialty care ingredients that are used as raw material in home and personal care industry. Over the past 41 years of operation, Galaxy Surfactant has come a long way. Today, this company manufactures 200 plus products catering to 1,750 plus customers in 80 plus countries. It has 7 manufacturing facilities with 5 facilities in India, 1 in Egypt and 1 in USA with 79 patents granted since 2000. Galaxy is a supplier to world-class companies like your HUL, P&G, Colgate, Dabur, Himalaya, L'Oreal, etc. In terms of application, we can divide Galaxy Surfactant chemical business into personal care and home care segment. Personal care segment has 5 subcategories. First subcategory is skin care that include products like moisturizer, cleanser, toner, etc. Second subcategory is hair care that includes shampoo, conditioner, hair color, etc. Then third subcategory is sun care products like your anti-tan, anti-pollution, anti-aging, etc. Then fourth subcategory is oral care that include your toothpaste, tooth powder, mouthwash, etc. Then fifth subcategory is cosmetics that include your nail polish, lip color and foundation. Within home care, it includes products like your laundry wash, dishwash, surface wash, hand wash, etc. In terms of business breakup, Galaxy Surfactant has 2 major business divisions, Performance Surfactant and Specialty Care Products. Performance Surfactant find application in home and hygiene segment like your laundry, dishwashing, hand care, etc. And Specialty Care Products find applications in skin care, hair care, oral care, cosmetics, etc. If you look at the revenue mix, around 62% business of the company is from Performance Surfactant and around 38% is from Specialty Care Products. If you look at the revenue breakup by geography, it is nicely divided across India, Africa and Middle East and rest of the world with each contributing around 1/3 in revenue. If you look at the promoters and leadership of the company, Mr. Unnatan Shekhar is the promoter and MD of the company. He has been associated with the company since 1986 and he is a chemical engineer and PGDM from IIM Calcutta. Mr. Shekhar Ravindranathan is the chairman and non-executive director of the company and he has more than 30 years of experience with Unilever. He has been associated with the company since 2007. Apart from him, all the senior leaders of the company have extensive experience and have been associated with the company for a long time. Overall, on the company and its leadership, I would rate it 10 on 10. If you look at the key strength, its first strength is innovation. Innovation is the growth engine of Galaxy Surfactant. It has a strong focus on R&D. So far, company has been granted 79 patents. Its second strength is global presence. Company has presence in 80 plus countries of the world. This provides geographical diversification. And third strength is strong client network. Galaxy has 1400 plus clients including your companies like HUL, P&G, Colgate, Dabur, Himalaya, L'Oreal, etc. So it has all the top FMCG companies in personal care and home care space as its client. If you look at the competitors of Galaxy Surfactant, there are many companies in chemical sector in India, but majority of them are making chemicals with application in pharma, agriculture, dyes, pigment, food additive, etc. Like your Deepak Nitrite, Alkylamine, Tata Chemical, Vinati Organics, Aarti Industry, etc. So they are not the direct competitors of Galaxy Surfactant as its chemicals find application in home and personal care space. Within this space, you have got Fine Organics that manufactures chemicals with application in cosmetics. So that can be a direct competitor. Otherwise, I could not find any major listed direct competitor of Galaxy Surfactant. Another important point is that personal care chemical space has high entry barrier due to stringent quality benchmark. So Galaxy Surfactant has a very strong positioning. Overall, on competitive strength, I would rate it 9 on 10. If you look at the key risk, events like COVID have hampered the overall demand. Moreover, companies' 2/3 revenue comes from the international market and any supply chain disruption could hamper the business just like what happened due to COVID. Finally, there is operational risk with fluctuation in raw material pricing that could impact the profitability of the company. The overall size of global beauty and personal care market in 2020 stood at $500 billion. Now that's a huge market. Although there was a decline of 1.3% in growth last year due to COVID, which is mainly due to supply chain disruption. But the long-term growth prospect looks intact. Now due to COVID, there is a strong demand for hygiene and cleanliness, and that would drive the growth for the home and personal care category all over the world. Then next big trend is sustainable and green environment friendly products. Today, the consumers have become very conscious about using toxic free, paraben free, sulfate free products. Next trend is premiumization. Today, consumers are shifting towards premium product in the personal and home care category, including your shampoo, skin cream, powder, etc. If you look at the personal and home care segment, this segment would continue to see demand as people would continue to use the skin care, hair care and home care products. Then some of the new categories are growing within personal care segment, including your baby care, pet care, men's grooming, etc. And that would further drive the growth in the business. Galaxy Surfactant is continuously focusing on innovation by manufacturing non-toxic, biodegradable and naturally derived ingredients. Overall on the future growth, I would rate it 10 on 10. If you look at the financials, Galaxy Surfactant revenue has grown from 1875 crore in FY15 to currently at 2795 crore by FY21 at 7% CAGR. Its profits have grown from 68 crore in FY15 to currently at 302 crore by FY21 at 28% CAGR, which is excellent. Hence on growth ratio, I would rate it 9 on 10. If you look at the profitability, its return on equity has been consistently about 20% in the last 6 years. Its return on capital employed is also consistently about 20%. Now that's a brilliant performance. Hence on profitability, I would rate it 10 on 10. Its debt to equity has consistently fallen from 1.1 to 0.2, which is again brilliant. Hence on debt to equity, I would rate it 10 on 10. If you look at the cash flow from operating activity, it has consistently increased from 41 crore to 365 crore. Hence overall, the financials are looking solid. If you look at the valuation, Galaxy Surfactant made its debut in the Indian stock market in February 2018 at Rs 1665, and since then it has given around 75% return and currently trading at around 2900 at the time of creating this video. At current levels, it is trading at a PE of around 32. Now considering the fact that Galaxy Surfactant has a high growth prospect, it is looking undervalued at current levels. I expect this stock to give very good return in the long term. As there is a fall in the small cap sector, it is a good opportunity to invest in quality stock at right valuations. So in this video, we analyzed Galaxy Surfactant. If you have enrolled in the weekly video series on our website, then you would have seen my stock portfolio video and would know that I already have this stock in my portfolio. In case you want to learn more about stock picking and money management, you can explore my complete course. So if I summarize, Galaxy Surfactant is in the business of chemical manufacturing for personal and home care category with clients like HUL, P&G, Himalaya, L'Oreal, etc. It has a strong leadership with presence in more than 80 countries. The future of this sector is looking bright on account of rising usage of hygiene and cleanliness products as well as personal care products. Companies focusing on non-toxic and environment-friendly products for sustainable growth. Its financials are also looking solid. So overall, Galaxy Surfactant is looking fundamentally strong. From the valuation point of view, it is looking very attractive. So what is your take on this stock? Let me know in the comments. I will see you with another video. Till then, take care.